Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the clinical history panel colors. Clinical history panel colors allows a user to view each workflow event and workflow event template that has been previously used on a patient's clinical history by means of setting up colors to identify the different event types. Using colors in the clinical history allows the practitioner to easily identify certain events such as scripts or sick notes and easily navigate to events based on their colors on the clinical history screen. In order for colors to display on different clinical history panels, the user will first need to set up which colors will be used for each workflow event and workflow event template. For an extensive explanation of how to set up the clinical history panel colors, please refer to the event subtypes and color user manual in this video's description. This tutorial video will start on the clinical history screen. For information on how to navigate to the clinical history screen, please refer to the clinical history user manual in this video's description. Please note that workflow events and workflow event templates for which the user has set up colors will be highlighted with the color that the user has set up to their preference. Users are then able to visually identify specific events on the clinical history screen by looking at the colors of each panel. For this example, the color pink was used to identify scripts that have been loaded onto the patient's clinical history.